Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware. If your laptop lacks HDMI in, you will need a USB capture card or a USB-C port with display port alt mode. Once done, plug the Xbox Series X into power and sign in so the console boots to home. Next, connect a high-speed HDMI cable from the Xbox HDMI out to the laptop's HDMI in or to the input on the capture device. Make sure the capture device is attached to the laptop via USB 3.0 for bandwidth reasons. Now you install any capture card drivers and launch the capture software. OBS, Elgato, or Windows Camera will work. In the app, add the capture device as a video source and match resolution and frame rate to the Xbox output. Choose 1080p 60 for smooth play unless you have a 4K workflow. Once configured, disable HDCP on the Xbox so capture software receives the feed. You may need to adjust audio routing in the capture app to ensure game sound appears through your laptop speakers or headset. To finish, verify gameplay appears and feels responsive. Enable low latency or game mode on pass-through devices and the capture card settings if available. If you see no signal, make sure HDMI cables are firmly seated, try a known good cable, power cycle the Xbox and capture device, and test alternate ports. For stutter or dropped frames, confirm the capture device is on a USB 3.0 port, update drivers and firmware, and close background apps using CPU or disk. That single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.